proof there are opportunities for black men. Man, a lot of people say that, oh, if you're black, you know, opportunities in this world are limited. Listen, sky's the limit, yeah? And I'm the proof, yeah? White people do give black people opportunities, yeah? But it's certain types of black people. It's black people with a certain mentality that they give opportunities to, yeah? So, I was nominated to be supervisor at this job. And it's almost been 2 weeks now, and I'm loving it. Loving the chaos. The job's really unorganized and stuff, and me, I'm just a chaotic person by nature, innit? So I'm just in my zone there, innit? Yeah, I love the rushing around and running around. Honestly, this is the best job I've had, and I hope this job lasts for a good few months or whatever, innit? Obviously, it's not the be all and end all. I plan to be, you know, a successful entrepreneur or whatever, innit? Yeah, but at this moment in time, I'm enjoying my job, innit? So yeah, I just hope it lasts for another 3 months or whatever, innit? So they nominated me to be the supervisor, and I've got maybe about 12 guys at maximum working under me, yeah? And there's a couple guys, they're cool guys, innit? They're like basically like the man them, innit? Yeah. So I sometimes go on their jobs where we're testing apartments, and I just talk to them for a bit. So one of the guys I was with, I told him that I've got a YouTube channel or whatever, innit? Yeah. So I told him the name of the YouTube channel. He said, okay, cool, I'm gonna go and check it out. So he must have went and checked it out or whatever. And then the next day, we were in an apartment with some of the other guys, whatever, doing the work. And he said, yeah, I checked out your YouTube channel. I was like, okay, cool. What videos did you watch? And he said, oh, I watched the Tinder one. I watched one that was about a motorbike, whatever. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. So one of the other guys, one of the man them said, oh, what's your YouTube channel, innit? Like, what's it about? So then I explained to him, yeah, obviously some of my videos about controversial topics. Some of them are rant videos. Some of them are about motivation. And a lot of my videos are about black people and their mentality and stuff to do with knife crime and stuff like that. Then I went a bit deeper into it, and I was saying to him, basically, I believe a lot of black people, they fail because they have a negative mindset going into stuff, you know? They think the worst. They think, oh, because I'm black, and people have said this to me as well, yeah? Family members have said this to me before. Because you're black, you have to work twice as hard as the white man to become successful. Bullshit! Yeah, that's bullshit. You do not have to work twice as hard as a white man to be successful. To be successful, you have to work 10 times as hard as everyone to be successful, yeah? It's got nothing to do with anyone's colour. But when you go in there, go into life and go into the workplace with that deficit mindset, you set yourself up to fail. Bullshit, yeah? Listen, man's the proof right now, yeah? White people do give black people opportunities. I started at this job. Yeah, I've almost been there 2 weeks. I started at this job on a Tuesday, yeah? I started with 3 other guys, yeah? And then 2 days later, some more testers came, right? So there's 8 of us, yeah? On my 3rd day, right, which was Friday, they nominated me to be the supervisor, right? Bro, or girl, whoever's watching this, yeah? Blood. I had only been there 3 days. I didn't know nothing about the job, right? I'm the youngest in my team. Bar one guy, I think he's 23 or whatever, innit? Yeah, but I'm the youngest in my team. Yeah, most of the guys there, some of the guys are old enough to be my dad. Most of them, man, they're 30s and 40s. Some of the guys 50. But they saw me, they saw something in me, and they nominated me to be the supervisor, yeah? There's guys in my team, they're black. There's guys in my team, they're white. There's guys in my team older than me, more experienced than me. But they saw something in me. I don't know, the focusedness, leadership skills, whatever in it. But they saw something in me. They had the opportunity to pick white man over me. Yeah. And this is a white man who nominated me. Right? Ask yourself, if white people are so racist, why would that white guy nominate me? Yeah. I'll tell you why he nominated me. As I said before, the focusedness. Yeah. The leadership skills. Yeah. But it's the mentality. Right? You know, there are people in this world, right? They go into things with this negative mentality, and people can pick up on that. Even if they don't know it, it's almost like it's a stink that you have. Yeah? You go into the environment with this stink attitude, right? And people pick up on that. And people automatically, they won't like you, I'm telling you. Now, me personally, I don't give a fuck if people like me. What I'm saying is, you do yourself no service, right, by having this negative mindset. People say that white people don't give black people opportunities. That is absolute bullshit. When I was in prison, when I was 18, my tutor wrote into the prison and vouched for me and said, release this young man as soon as possible, because when he was in college, he was, you know, top student. He always put in effort, you know, didn't mind staying late, whatever, at college. He vouched for me. Yeah, he actually wrote into the prison. I don't know any flipping tutors in college that do that. And he was right. Yeah, he wasn't just bullshitting saying I was a star student or whatever in it. Now, I didn't know everything, but it was just the effort, the passion that I had. Yeah. When I finished my apprenticeship, I got a special award. I didn't even want to collect it. Yeah. They told me to come down on the award ceremony for the apprentices from all different subjects, you know, hairdressing, people are going to go and work on an airplane, plumbers, electricians, whatever, innit, yeah? Air hostess, whatever, yeah? They asked me to come in. They gave out the awards to everyone, yeah? Everyone just got like a generic award or whatever, innit, yeah? Certificate. Then there was like time for special awards. They gave out a few special awards for different things. Then they said best attitude to learning. Then they called out my name. I was shocked. I was shocked. No wonder why the girl on the phone, the administrator from my college, begged me to come down to the college for this award ceremony, because there was a special award for me because of my attitude. Yeah. Now, I didn't go there and kiss no one's ass in my college, but I used to stay late. Yeah, I was the last man there. Wasn't the earliest though, innit? Man, a black man, yeah. So we turn up at a black man's time, but I wasn't the earliest, but I used to stay late because I wanted to know my craft. Yeah. And people pick up on that vibe, that energy of you, and they want to invest in you. Yeah. If I was some fucking idiot, yeah, from London, because my college is in Hertfordshire or whatever, some idiot from London going down to Hertfordshire thinking I'm a gangster and stuff, and I did used to get into fights in college, not gonna lie, yeah. But if I had that stupid mentality, like, yeah, I'm just doing this electrical course because there's nothing else better to do, you think my tutors would have vouched for me and wrote into the prison? Come on, man. He would have been like, ah, that guy Jay, you flipping idiot, man. So all that, white people, they don't believe in you, or they won't, the white people don't give opportunities to black people, is bullshit. Even the woman, my probation officer, I came out of prison, right? She knew I was studying electrical installation. She got me a job at a council, a local authority. Yeah, she got me a job with the council. Yeah, white woman, again, helping another black man, yeah, who is on the wrong path. But she could see there's certain men out here, certain people, they're lost on the wrong path, but they're the right person. They're just on the wrong path. Yeah. So all that, you know, all that bullshit. Oh, there are no opportunities for black people. And even if there isn't, create your own opportunities. Yeah. No one is destined to work for our next man. Yeah. Create your own opportunities. But you people are lazy. Yeah. You don't want to go out there and strive to be the best you want. You people want reparations and handouts, and no, life don't work like that. Yeah, if you want something, you have to work for it, yeah? All right, 8 minutes and 29 seconds. Stay wise.